Gabby. Gabby, come here. Gabby. Come here. Oh, we have company. Neighbor's dog. I did meet it, but I can't remember its name. Gabby is still frozen in place. Where Gabby. 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 Come here. She has yet to step on the grass. I'm thinking she doesn't like the grass. Or the dog. And I don't like the bug that just flew onto my lens. Gabby. Come here. Okay, or just stare at the dog. She is heading towards the dog. What the hell is she thinking? Trying to get her to come out on the lawn. I'm sitting in the middle of the lawn. She is moving closer to the dog. The area over there is all dirt. It was a vegetable garden at one time. Okay, she is getting closer to the dog. Dog's about to come into frame here. Oh my God. Okay, if something happens, I cannot jump up fast enough to save her. I am screwed, and so is she. Oh my God. This is insane. 17 years old, first encounter with a dog, other than at the vet. And we're off. Gabby, come here. I think she's done. So am I.